Your Audi gives you the freedom to explore the great outdoors. But before you can take anything, you need to know how to install your vehicle's base carrier bars, which is required for most cargo-related accessories. To get started, be sure the stickers on the front and rear bars are on the left-hand side of the vehicle, and the arrow points in the direction of travel. Inside each roof rail, there are 4 holes, 2 in the front and 2 in the back. This is where you will mount your roof bars. Now you'll want someone to assist you by holding the other side. Simply open up the cover of the bars and flip down the clamping lever to pull the jaws apart. Then, carefully insert the 2 lugs on the inner clamp into the holes on the roof rails. Next, hook the outer jaw of the unit so it grips under the edge of the roof rail. Lock the bars into position by flipping up the clamping lever. Repeat the steps for the rear bars. Now you can mount a genuine Audi accessory by simply inserting it into the T-groove slot. If you're not mounting an accessory, seal off the slot by sliding the cover trim into the T-groove. Be sure to cut the trim at the length of the bar for a nice finished look. Lastly, close and lock the cover cap to prevent it from opening while on the road. After it's locked, you're now free to explore.